These are the Stinger Honey Mini Waffles, and this is how big they are. The serving size is 3, so you take 3 of these. And I started doing this uh, before I go to the gym because I was doing the Rice Krispie treat. So you eat a Rice Krispie treat and then go work out, helps you kind of get a pump and stuff. And I think these were a better, more healthy alternative. So I decided to get these, and I really like them. I'm at the bottom of the bag. I'm at my last 3 servings, but it says 6 servings per bag. So you're looking at 18 per bag. And I mean, it tastes amazing if you like honey. I'm not a nutritionist, not doctor or anything like that. I'm just reviewing this product. And yep, I've definitely loved it and loved the results.